Hello, beautiful creatures. Welcome to my channel. I'm Aradia, the Witch of Dark Light, and I hope you all are doing well. I'm going to jump right into it. But first, I'm going to light me some Palo Santo. I want to talk a little bit about what I periodically talk about here on this channel, and that's your personal alchemy and understanding what it is that works with you. And a lot of people don't even, may not believe that the planets or universal alignments and what's going on in the cosmos may affect us in our lives personally, but that's okay. It doesn't mean it doesn't exist and it isn't affecting you. So first, let me share a quick story about what prompted me to begin down this rabbit hole of thinking and receiving downloads, questions, and answers. I was talking to my granddaughter, and I was sitting here pulling cards, and she asked me to pull a card for her. So then I told her to think about what it is that she wanted, and then I gave her the cards and let her pull the card. So she began to do that, and she pulled some cards, and the message in all of that was that she needs to open up her heart to people, to the existence around her, and this is where she'll be able to find her joy. So she was like, how the heck do I even begin to do that? So then we began to pull the cards again, and the message was start by helping others, and then this is a way that you are opening up by helping others. So then she was like, well, how do I even do that? So then because I know I'm her grandmother, so I look at, as an astrologer, I look at her chart. And, I know these things. So I know and understand a lot of what her personal alchemy is. So I said to her, because she's a Libra rising, Libra moon, I said to her, you know what? If you see someone that is maybe being bullied or sad or lost or lonely, if your intuition is telling you these things about that person, maybe go up to them and ask them, do they need help? Are they lost? Is everything okay? And so she began to resonate with that. And then she even said to me, she did see that happen the other day, but she just didn't say anything. She saw someone that she felt like she should go to see if they needed help, or they was lost, or if they were scared. So by understanding her personal alchemy, I was able to help her understand how it is that she can achieve happiness, she can achieve healing, within herself by helping others. So when we try to do what it is that we see other people do, and when we try to see, we look online and we see the way that other people are doing things and how it works for them and how their life may seem this magical life that they have, because social media and Instagram and all of these platforms present a lifestyle of people that may not necessarily be happening. These are just like the highlight moments. These are the moments that are aesthetically pleasing to the eye, because it is fixed that way for the social platforms. So we look at that and we say, you know what? Oh, I want that. Oh, that's the life I want, or I want to be like that. But what happens is when we try to fashion our lives around that and have, our spiritual practices evolve around what we see others do, we are setting ourselves up for failure. We are setting ourselves up to be let down so quickly because our alchemy doesn't align with this. And so when we try to create this magical life that we see that someone else has, it's not in alignment with our energies and who we are. So it doesn't work. And then again, you create a setup for failure, a setup for traumatic experiences, a setup for something to talk to your mind, to tell you you're not doing it right, you are a failure, this is something you can't do, you can't achieve. No, you should not be able to achieve someone else's way of life. You should be able to achieve your life, the things that are meant for you. Because if it's not meant for you, it's going to come in and cause friction. It may seem like the glitz and the glamour at first. It may seem like, oh, okay, this is the life that they have. This is what I'm trying to achieve. Then all of a sudden things begin to go downhill because you are not working in alignment with yourself. You are not connecting with your higher goals, your higher frequencies, your higher self, the thing that is meant for you. So understanding your personal alchemy by understanding, I'm gonna take it back to astrology, by understanding, and there's ways to understand this without having to be an astrologer, without having to work within the realms of astrology. But if you are in spirituality, the cosmos is such an integral part of working within the realms of magic. So understanding in astrology, understanding if your chart is full of water, if your chart is full of air, or if you have an equal balance of all, what energies work best with you, what crystals, what stones, what music, what angels, demons, all of these things that are in our realm, what works best with you. And this is how you are able to build a magical life that flows with your frequencies, that flows with who you are. And this sets you on a path of receiving those things that are meant for you. So you can then begin to build your altar. You can then begin to sense the energies that are meant for you to work with. So I just wanted to share this because so many of us are trained to follow systems. We are trained that what we are looking for is outside of us. But the answer is who you are. The answer is what you are made of. That is where you'll find all the answers, in understanding all of what you are made of, all of the energies that were put together at the time of your birth, what the cosmos, what the alignment was at the time of your birth. These are the energies that have been woven and mixed together to create you at that precise second of your birth. This is what energies that you align with. So understanding that the answer is within you means that you are going on a path of discovery, of understanding all of these things that is within you, what you are made of, so to speak. And just remember, everything that you see on social media, everything that glitters is not always gold. Just remember that. So coveting and wanting someone else's lifestyle. We have so many of these lifestyle videos where you see everything looking all pretty, everything's name brand. But I just want to tell you, everything that glitters ain't gold, and what a lot of people are showing you is not the truth of the matter. So I'll leave you with that. I love you all, and until the next video, into the shadows.